ade wo me ho na wa frɛ me hey am nante fa Agimi na send this can mami fa Agimi na send this can mami me na ade ne me dia fa Agimi na send this can mami etu pa chese me send am o pa chese me send am me send ma da because me send ma obeka che me say me di watem na wo ye eti atem didie na mu ye di mpanifo no so mu ye kwana se bi tafache na na kufo na se nyansa na wo ko school na ka bi ni ho menye na kufo de menye mesi menye mom ye ntram ni na ye nsofa na kufo de menye because won timi medi panyina tem so wo di panyina tem na obeye de wo pena anim gwasa kan to onye e wo sen ko yo na nso onye etunim se atem didie no odi na kufo do atem no aba be ya na yeti be bi yeti na kufo do onye da I'm telling you so onim se na kufo do be ye wasede ama onye da because atem na wudi no o megina so no me bibi maye ni ama me kasa san krofo be 5 pe no o ma ya ade no da bi what I say it is senka mu be ja atem didie no en Avram ka kire mo no Avram be Moshe ka kire mo no wo se atem didie no emwa wo se atem didie no emwa Avram atima ka chem se atem didie no emwa mo mun ja atem didie no na yempre oman ni ye because who di atem no panyin o maye da me ka kire wo because obaye se kima obeka se mo beka mo di betum mo amu kasa mo di betum ye bo na chi no e na obeye ye ento onye da oni pefes onye da na kufa di diskana ne ko diskana wo de diskana ne ko because mo di na tema se se obeye a onye I'm telling you obeye a onye na kufa do onye da because mo di na tem no obeye no aye onye da
ana mo no so ye hu odo sabi ye loyal followers no mo akoma ne mo ami ha wana enyema ekoso no na ye ntimi continue anana me nua no ntimi continue na wo se obi abonten na ibinum teneka because enyesa na ka ibinum nyina ebi mefa mo nya koma yare ma me mpa ye loyal followers nyina chew ma gina ke we pa wo chew
ade ne police hihwe no police pese o mutunu mu sa afre no wo si bibia nsa ni ho biem enti ohaw ba na wo pa na ase ohaw ni wa na wo pe abofra na kakase film bebrebe ene police fo ne se o mu be use ni videos no as se wa sha se o delete videos ne kase fi wo but still na encrofa capture de no muntie kase fi ni bi me ba
a nice polo here shemi sweater polo here shemi bi kura me the credit card na makotwi na me twiatwia na kakra na credit card nimpo kura me de akotwi ne ya gi me interest nti zenka wo hwe wo kura asu nimfa so mpo too much say enyoma bebrebi wo ho no ma for pleasure nti wo ye na unya chese enso Ghana ni no person o look just like me also onibi enyoma se ne betena wa ne ya tichi om minia na ya boa money catch on say Ghana no we have long way to go see the dust e wo omo de anwea Mrs. the big Ghana na ni fie nim omo ye road no omo ye road na Akufo do ye road no ana omo de aboa ne nyoma begu baby kromo afro temamufo no wiwi anwea no ne abo ne koton ma pepo mu si dan we ye dipia ka because ane ho akire no kope wo asase ko akura na se kope ayido dom yenche on pe no ope quick money ozi business that drink water water no kura me drink kura nko ope quick money me wa no kura improve pa me do ope quick money intino ade na omode ye road kill people no bonti wonka road na kill people na empanifo no kakra omoye no omode begu otemamufo no ewia okoton pokuro koton ni cheap because enya ne dia okwa ne opebia ne de ma no no agenya ne dia. All those are the things we need to come and teach them because a cromana ya ban one quanko ye jumana won sanye den kasika no. And then I was talking to the kids. And kola yakola ba ko to fun man no ase no to man no na wa se no pebiem na say this time master ain't giving to you and ain't giving nothing to you. I'm not giving to you. And I sat down with this child and I lectured the child how much I suffer to get the money before you get it. So you have to appreciate. So what you say? Me go here adwuma miserable job we hwe snowing na na mu koye adwuma. Otono asem because onim the value of money. So you need to teach. We need to teach our people. Say, yeah na yeti akwenti omo. We need to live through with a rules and regulation. You cannot just get up and do anything you want. Hey, me papa, you want to say, drink some coffee, oh papa. Mate, Canada haba, sika kakra okita. Obi tif me free US back sika kakra okita wa baby school. Onu amukura school na akobie no oni school hu nim de. Wakobie watidin kakraka bi wakobie wanyi obi amana lances wakobie school no wonzo ti school ni din kakraka no wa me akwa akoton kokofu no anka kokofu no ubetimi aye domienche that's your short term goal no wo de akọ school no uko school no wanya won research say school na wo beko no how many percent of a job na ewo Ghana won 2 year school na is likely se ubenya edwuma baabi ahye uti dina ubewie edwuma ni kro ni mu sukuu no na wakọ ho edwuma doesn't exist enso wakọ awie uwie akwa ko blame government no uwie akwa ko blame government no but then you did not do your research akola ba ko wa ha wawie school e was starting in university or college akola na you confused intime ya mese ma me papa tenase. Sit down. Really think before you get yourself into. Where do you see yourself as growing up? A dear population and you feel attractive towards to. You can work with money and then you are going to finances area. You'll be like me and who more person o person tien crofon some person cheren crofo the person you good with people people no kura what age group. Oh, adult. Then you go into the adult side. I'm good with Nkola Nketwa. I better think Tasuogu menimu metiomasi. I want to be part of Nkola Nketwa. I want to professional. Then you looking forward there. Oh, I am good with building things and who thinking of what? And your ma bet me a building your man engineer and asefo. Oh, I am very good in lecturing by talking and whatever. You can become a comedian. You sit down and you brainstorm and see yourself where 10 years from now, 5 years from now, you still happy. Then I am good with money and numbers. Banking. Any other stuff are that related to bank. Ye kromo for Ghana no doesn't mean sao. Even though ye nkole ye kurano sa wan chena ntena ho o wie high school no ye confused because obi e konto person okobi. Into one 3 year happen to most of our Ghanaian children.